Welcome back to my channel. In this video we asked to find the 2m minus n given the matrix m and n. Okay, now they say given that this is the m and they asked to find the 2m minus n. This is n, this is m, and in the m here we are going to multiply this matrix with 2 before we find the 2m minus n. Okay, now we have 2 times, we open the matrix 2 1 3 and 4. Then this is, you can say this is equals to 2 times 2. Here we have 4. 2 times 3, here is 6. 2 times 1, here is 2. 2 times 4, here is 8. Now we can find 2m minus n. This is 2m. Okay, then this 2m minus n, you can say 2m minus n is equals to, we write 2m. This is 2m, it's not m. This is 4 2 6 8 minus 2 minus 2 2 minus 4. Then you can say 2m minus n is equals to, we can subtract the two matrix giving 4 minus minus. When two minus comes together, we can multiply the minus to obtain plus. That is 2 minus times minus is plus 2 minus 2 plus 6 plus 2, here is 6. Then we can open another matrix. Then 2 minus minus 2, this is 2 plus 4. 2 plus 2, here is 4. Then we have 6 minus 2, this is 4. 8 minus 4, that is, here will be 12. This is the value of 2m minus n in the question. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel for more video. Bye.